boy! Now look what you've done, motherfucker!
Hello folks, welcome back to Resident Evil 7. I was playing around with settings again, so hopefully everything looks good to you. But you know what? Here we go. Something here? I know it's just that tar moving, but man, that sounds like one of those fucking things are just creeping up on me. Ready to breathe on my neck or whatever the fuck. Alright, so we had to deal with some bullshit to get this key. See, I hate that you hear this guy's footsteps. Like, I get it, it makes you feel more immersed or whatnot, but Jesus Christ. Alright, here we go. It's all good, it's all good. Just a little bathroom. Oh! It's like reading there it is. I was reading reviews on this and people aren't, like, scared of these fucking things. These things are fucking scary to me. I don't like them. I don't want to deal with them. God damn it, they just fucking hit like trucks, man. Jesus Christ! And Ethan's so fucking slow. Come on, man. Please die. Oh. Like I said, I don't fucking like them. Another one? Are you fucking kidding? Oh, thank God that last bullet did it. I could deal with the bakers. Bakers are no fucking big deal compared to these guys. Ah! Dude, I don't have enough bullets for this shit, man. Ah! Come on! Dude, I have one bullet left. Honestly, what the fuck? Doing a pocket knife only run. Oh God, man. Okay, here we go, here we go. Oh my God! There are too many of these fucking guys! What the fuck do you want me to do? Oh man, I'm gonna fucking be dead, so dead. Alright, cool. I got handgun ammo. Sure some shit's gonna go down if I grab this. What the fuck? There's a second basement? Are you... Think I have enough bullets to deal with these fucks up? Hey, there goes one. I hid something nice here. Try to find it if you can. Wait, is it upside down or... I'm gonna deal with these guys first and then... Oh! God damn, man. These things are fucking scary. Fuck, man, I keep missing. Not moving, god damn it. There we go. Where the fuck did they go? Okay. Here we go. Oh, 2 for 1. Ah! What the fuck? Alright, I don't know what I'm doing. Oh god. I'm not doing the correct thing, though! Open sesame! Oh, you gotta be kidding me! Excuse me! I just need one. Okay, I gotta be more careful about my bullets! This is it, the last one. Die, motherfucker! No! Oh god. I made a terrible mistake! Get off me, you cunt! Hey, feel the wrath of my knife! Okay, now's the time to run in here and do whatever the fuck I gotta do. Let's try this one. Good! Open! Open! Take your time, you know, we're not getting chased or anything. Alright, well, there's the fucking dog.
I was gonna be your father.
Now she says he will be her father. No. I will find him, and I will make him suffer. And you, my friend, will help me.
This shit is fucking ridiculous, man. You know, I really hope there's not one of those fucking things down here, but... Who knows? What's this? Snake? I don't think... No, that's not gonna work. Alright, well, I'm gonna save real quick. That sucks, man. I was hoping to get that dog head and just get the fuck out. Really? Alright. Oh, that's right. This key. Scorpion! Scorpion! Use the fucking key! Open the fucking door! Okay, here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh god. Okay. Okay, that old lady disappeared again. Oh yeah, scorpion key, sweet. Open! Those dark areas in your cranium are fungus-like structures. What's in here? Oh, lovely. Pick it up. Alright, things are looking a little up now. Take a fucking bruising from those guys. You know what? You fuck. Ah, damn it. Okay, well, I kinda need health. Alright, there we go. Yeah, there we go. Alright. I am not fucking around now. Or you know what? There he is. Oh my god! I fucking love this thing! Oh man, this thing's fucking a godsend. Thank you, God. I'm gonna fucking shit on him now. Oh, you're still alive? What the fuck? Thank God he's a little stupid. Okay, real talk now. Fucking Jake, or not Jake, Jack fucking stole that dog head, so... Man, I was about to go in here without the fucking shotgun, too.
Poor deputy.
Yep, here we go.
You ain't
God damn, man! I like that.
That gun is not gonna work the way you think it will.
Oh. Oh! Did you get faster, man?
I like it.
Oh, that's really piss poor.
You got yourself a boo-boo. Guns aren't much use around here, son.
That was pretty fucking useful, huh? I don't have enough space, are you fucking kidding me? Oh shit. Fuck you, man. Oh, you want a battle? Here we go! Ah! Fuck you! The fuck is he holding? Okay, here we go. Wow, that did nothing. Oh! You fucking cut! Run! God damn, this guy is fucking crazy! What the fuck, man? What do they want me to do? Fuck! Just wanted my fucking wife, you know. But we have to go through all this bullshit. Fucking poor Ethan.
Poor deputy.
Yeah, poor deputy.
You ain't getting away.
Ah, fuck! This shit just like tickles him. He's like, hee. Just a little bullet to my face. Ah! Fuck, man, you're scary. I gotta get this. Come on. All right. Take it. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Fuck you! R. Oh! Dude, how the fuck does this guy die? You fucking die! Honestly, I don't know what they want from me. I don't know what they want from me. God damn it, man. This guy's a fucking cunt. I got you this time, Jack. Get running.
Ain't getting away. Waste of bullets, boy.
Oh, oh, I can't see him. Fuck. Alright, let's go. I feel like I have to use these, but I don't know how. Oh, damn it. Fucking cut. Whoa. Whoa, shit. That was my fucking safe thing. Oh, that really sucks.
You gonna die.
There we go. Yeah. Fuck you, Jack. Oh no, we're still fighting? Oh god! Whoa! Whoa, what the fuck? Stay down! Oh, okay. Alright, they're just walking. Okay. Jesus fucking Christ. Jack's a fucking prick.
Do me a favor and stay dead.
Yeah. Fucking please. No. No. Why did we do that? Oh, it fucking broke. I was gonna say, I'm just gonna carry that shit around the mansion. Guy's a real fucking cock. The fuck? Dude, this fucking old lady. You know what? I'm gonna save and I'm gonna shoot her. Something's not right, man. Oh god, here we go. Oh, don't let me. Yeah, don't let me aim at her. Fucking agile old woman, man. Alright, here we go. Alright. I think this is a good stopping point. If you guys enjoyed this part, remember to drop a like or subscribe to PitchDank or myself. And you will definitely see more Resident Evil. See ya, coming out. Adios!